Hi guys, a very good morning. Welcome to Africa and Beyond Television Network. So, President Nelson Chamisa's CCC party held a press conference and they made an announcement about the way forward. Something very important was mentioned about what is next. Let us hear that key point where CCC actually emphasized on what should happen next. And they clearly indicated that they are going to do nationwide consultations, talking to the people, speaking to the people about the next move. Let us hear.
Are there any questions?
Maybe you can give us the which one, just to summarize which one.
Okay. Summarize what? Okay. Dare guru remusangano weCCC rakasangana rikazeya nyaya dzakatarisana neZimbabwe, matambudziko akatarisana nevanhu vemuZimbabwe ari kukonzerwa nebato reZANU PF navaMnangagwa. Mudare iri takatarisa zvikuru nyaya yekuti bato redu rinofanira kuramba ririmo here mudare guru reparamende yeZimbabwe. Tikati aiwa hatingaiti zvegurwe, tichaenda tonobvunza vanhu, tonzwa kuti vanhu vanoti chii, tozodzoka kwamuri tichikutaurirai budikidzo inenge yabuda munenge zvataurwa nevanhu. Chechipiri ndechekuti tabuda nechirongwa atingati nechirongwa political program ichaanvheliwa nepati ichaita kuti tiise pressure kuhurumende yeZANU PF, tiise pressure kuna Mnangagwa neZANU PF kuti vazive kuti vanofanira kuti vachida vasingadi vauye kuzoita nhaurirano nebato rinotungamirwa navaChamisa reCCC rinova ndiro rakanga rakakunda musarudzo dzakazobiwa. Saka program iyoyo ichatanga mazuva mashoma anotevera yekufamba, tichange tichikutsanangura kuti zvinofamba sei, zvimwe zvacho tizotauri hedu pamanewspaper nepamedia, asi tinofanira kuzikanwa nenyika yeZimbabwe ndechekuti nguva yekuti tiise pressure yekuti zvinhu zvedu zvifambe zvakanaka munyika munomu yasvika. Sindebele. Besihlangene lapha njengedale elikhulu ele-CCC Citizens Coalition for Change ekuthiwa yi-Citizen National Assembly. Sihluza ke udaba oluhlangana lelizwe lethu, ikakhulu indaba yokuthi kulama-recalls ayenziwayo angekho emthethweni, kukhitshwa ama-members ethu ayekhethwe ngabantu kuhle kuparliament, kufakwa laba abafunwa ngumNangagwa. Kuma-by-elections akhona abantu bethu besaliswa ukuthi bancintise okungekho emthethweni. So sizayihluza le ndaba siyifake kuZulu, siphume nempumela yokuthi kambe senze njani, siphume yini eparliament kumbe sibe silokhu sikhona. Nxa sesiqedile ama-consultations ezawenza lo Zulu jikelele, sizajika njalo kini silazisa ukuthi iposition ethethwe yiphathi ngiyokuthini. Okwesibili ngokokuthi sithe thina asingeke simelele iparlamente kuphela ukulwisa indaba le lama-courts, lizwile igqwetha likhuluma lapha. Siza khipha njalo uhlelo olukhulu esingathi ngesilungu i-program of action eyokuyangena ebantwini, sikhuthaza abantu ukuthi sekumele sizimele, kumele sigoqe sigwinye siqine ngoba silwa lomuntu ongelandaba lathi. Sifuna ukuthi amalungelo ethu okuvota aphendukiswe. Ama-constituencies lapho abantu bethu abalisa ukuvota khona, sifuna ukubona abantu besukuma bebhala ama-petition, besenza abakwenzayo ukuthi besenza ngokuthula kodwa bedimanda ukuthi uhulumende avumele abantu ukuthi bakhethe abakhokheli babafunayo, hatshi ababebafakele bona bona.
So this is what CCC had to say regarding the way forward. So to those who are asking what is next, Kwango kunetsa zvako, but Promise Mkwananzi clearly outlined the next move of CCC. Number one, they want to make consultations with the people or with their supporters. Number two, they are clear that the time has come for them to put pressure on ZANU PF and the government of Emmerson Mnangagwa. So we are going to continue to watch and see what is going to happen next, but this is the current position of CCC.